Dear students of 11 Science, 11 Commerce, 11 Arts, now today we are going to finish Pillars of Democracy by Dr. Baba Sahib Ambedkar, and the last activity sheet I am going to provide you. The last passage is here on page number 38. On page number 38, and it begins with there was so little solidarity. There was so little solidarity in the USA. पासून आपल्याला स्टार्ट करायचं, तर ते क्लोज करायचं पेज नंबर 39ला. डीपर दॅन कोट ऑफ पेंट्स, कोट्स ऑफ पेंट. इट मीन्स हियर इज द लास्ट activity sheet. Dear students, as you know very well that equality, fraternity and liberty are the trinity of democracy. Democracy in India is alive on these principles, on these three principles: freedom, equality, fraternity. Freedom is liberty, carrying the same meaning, having the same meaning. And now the last part is here in progress. There was so little solidarity in the USA at the time when the incident occurred, that the people of America did not think they were a nation. The people of America did not think that they were a nation. If the people of the United States could not feel that they were a nation, how difficult it is for Indians to think that they are a nation. When the well-developed countries like USA cannot think that they are a nation, how is it possible for the country like India to think that they are a nation? I remember the days when a politically minded Indians resented the expression the people of India. They preferred the expression the Indian nation. The Indian nation. I am of opinion that in believing that we are a nation, we are cherishing a great delusion. If we consider that we are a nation, we are cherishing a great delusion. Delusion means a mistaken idea or opinion. जर आम्ही असं मानत असू की आम्ही एक राष्ट्र आहोत, तर तो आमचा एक भ्रमनिरास आहे असं स्वतः बाबासाहेबांना वाटतं. हाऊ कॅन पीपल डिवायडेड into several thousands of castes be a nation? ज्या राष्ट्रामध्ये इतक्या वेगवेगळ्या जातीचे, धर्माचे, पंथाचे, वेगळे वेगळे मार्ग अनुसरणारे असे लोक राहतात, त्या ठिकाणी राष्ट्र ही संकल्पना कशी रुजू शकते? दॅट इज द बेसिक क्वेश्चन. The sooner we realize that we are not as yet a nation in the social and physiological sense of the word, the better for us. आम्हाला हे जितक्या लवकरात लवकर कळेल, भौतिक दृष्टिकोनातून आणि सामाजिक दृष्टिकोनातून सुद्धा, की आम्ही एक राष्ट्र नाही आहोत, तोपर्यंत ते जितकं लवकरात लवकर कळेल तितकं ते आमच्या हिताचं असेल. For then only we shall realize the necessity of becoming a nation and seriously think of ways and means of realizing the goal. What should be our goal? Our goal should be to maintain the fraternity. Our goal should be to maintain the fraternity. बंधुत्वाची भावना आम्हाला जोपासणं ही काळाची गरज आहे. इट इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर. The realization of the goal is going to be very difficult for more difficult than it has been in these United States. आपल्याकडे राष्ट्र म्हणून संकल्पना रुजवणं एक कठीण काम आहे इन कंपॅरिझन विथ अमेरिका. द युनायटेड स्टेट्स हॅज नो कास्ट प्रॉब्लेम. द युनायटेड स्टेट्स हॅज नो कास्ट प्रॉब्लेम. आपल्याकडे जसं विविध जातीचे लोक, विविध धर्माचे, विविध विचारधारा असणारे, विविध पूजा पाठ, त्यांची आराधना उपासना यांचे स्वतंत्र मार्ग स्वीकारलेले लोक आहेत, तसं अमेरिकेमध्ये नाही. अमेरिकेमध्ये प्रोटेस्टंट, कॅथॉलिक चर्च आर द अथॉरिटीज अँड द पोप's word is supposed to be the final word and he is the sole controlling authority in it. The United States has no caste problems. In India there are castes. भारतामध्ये वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारच्या जाती आहेत. द कास्ट्स आर अँटी नॅशनल. जाती ज्या असतात ह्या जाती राष्ट्रविघातक असतात असं लेखकाला वाटतं. बाबासाहेबांचं मत ह्या पद्धतीचं आहे की ज्या देशामध्ये विविध प्रकारच्या जाती आहे, धर्म आहे, विचारधारा आहे, त्या ठिकाणी ते जी सिस्टीम उपलब्ध आहे तीच मुळात राष्ट्रासाठी घातक आहे. इन द फर्स्ट प्लेस बिकॉज दे ब्रिंग अबाउट सेपरेशन. in other words, stating within social life, they are anti-national also. They are anti-national also because they can, like antisocial, generate jealousy and antipathy between caste and creed. आपल्याला एकमेकांविषयी हेवे दावे, द्वेष, गैरसमज, आकस असं जर आपल्या मनात असेल तर फ्रॅटर्निटीची संकल्पना प्रत्यक्ष रूपामध्ये साकार होऊ शकत नाही. हे आपण प्रामुख्याने लक्षात घ्यायला हवं. बट वी मस्ट ओव्हरकम ऑल दीज डिफिकल्टीज if we wish to become a nation in reality. जर आम्हाला खरोखर वास्तविकतेमध्ये एक राष्ट्र म्हणून उदयाला यायचं असेल जगाच्या पाठीवरती, तर आम्हाला हे समजून घेणं गरजेचं आहे की आम्ही एकत्र असलं पाहिजे. आमच्यामध्ये कोणत्याही प्रकारच्या गैरसमज असू नये, कोणत्याही प्रकारच्या अशा मतभेदाच्या भिंती असू नाही. दॅट इज एक्सपेक्टेड. For fraternity can be a fact only when there is a nation. Fraternity can only a fact when there is a nation. Without fraternity, equality and liberty will be no deeper than coats of paint. बघा, बंधुत्वाच्या संकल्पनेला किती अनन्यसाधारण महत्त्व दिलेलं आहे. जर बंधुत्व नसेल तर समानता, आणखीन स्वातंत्र्य ह्या गोष्टी म्हणजे जसं रंगाचे कोट, रंगाचा पहिला हात, दुसरा हात, तिसरा हात असं जसं आपण भिंत रंगवताना वापरतो तशाच पद्धतीची ती गोष्ट राहील आणि ते रंगाचे थर एक दिवस उडून जातील, एक दिवस ती भिंत फिकी पडेल. आणि म्हणूनच आपल्याला जर हे एक होमोजिनियस मिक्सचर तयार करायचं असेल, इफ वी रिअली वॉन्ट टू बी अ नेशन, फ्रॅटर्निटी इज मस्ट अँड दॅट इज द नीड ऑफ द आवर. डॉक्टर भीमराव रामजी आंबेडकर पर्सनली feels like this and therefore he has stressed the need of fraternity. If fraternity is there, sympathy will be there. If sympathy will be there, there will be attachment. There will be the feeling of cooperation to each other. Otherwise, we can lead our life in our own style and that should not happen. And that's all about this chapter, Pillars of Democracy, and this last activity is presented before you and the activity sheet is here for you right now. direct answers are given here. Actually you have to match the column, the statements, the words in column A with column B, but I will directly tell you the answer. You just take the note of it in your notebook. The United States, the United States has no caste problem. The United States has no caste problem. Fraternity can be a fact only when there is a nation. Fraternity can only be a fact if there is a nation. In India, there are castes and this is anti-national. In India, there are castes and this is anti-national. Point number 4 is coming here. Without fraternity, equality and liberty will be very shallow. It is just like coats of paints. A2 activity sheet is here. Why has the author called castes anti-national? लेखकाने जातींना राष्ट्रविघातक का म्हटलेलं आहे? जाती ह्या राष्ट्रविघातक असतात असं लेखकाला का वाटतं? दॅट वी हॅव टू एक्सप्लेन. A nation is a large body of people. A nation is a large body of people united by common descent, history, culture, or language, inhabiting a particular country or territory. The author says that castes are anti-national because they break the unity of people. They bring about the separation in social life. They also generate antipathy between caste and creed. A3. Why are we mistaken when we think that we are a nation? आपण एक राष्ट्र आहोत असे समजतो तेव्हा तो आपला गैरसमज का असतो? A nation is a large body of people united by common descent, history, culture, or language. However, the people of India are divided into several thousand castes. How then can we be a nation? For nation means unity, and castes separate us and create jealousy and antipathy. Hence, the author thinks that we are mistaken when we think that we are a nation. The next activity is here, that is vocabulary. You have given some words and you have to write down the antonyms of the same words. Segregation, 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 segregation. Antonym is association. Number 2, division. Antonym is togetherness. Number 3, split म्हणजे फूट पाडणे. SPLIT, split. Antonym is oneness. The next word is action. The antonym is apathy. Drive, inactivity. The next word is Dynamism, D-Y-N-A-M-I-S-M, D-Y-N-A-M-I-S-M, dynamism. The antonym is lethargy. The antonym is lethargy. Now, here comes the question of personal response. Write your view in brief on the following topic: liberty, equality, and fraternity. Liberty, equality, and fraternity lead to an ideal nation. स्वातंत्र्य, समता, बंधुभाव यामुळे आदर्श राष्ट्र निर्माण होते. यावरती आपले विचार व्यक्त करायचे. व्हॉट यू फील दॅट यू हॅव टू राईट डाऊन. आय एम टेलिंग यू द आन्सर, बट इट डझंट मीन दॅट you can have your own idea and you can write it down. If it is reasonably correct, it will be accepted and due marks will be given to your correct answer. So please don't think that my answer is the final authority. Okay. A nation is a large body. A nation is a large body of people united by common descent, history, culture, or language, inhabiting a particular country or territory. The main word here is united. The main word here is united. If we are to call ourselves an ideal nation, there should be complete unity among the citizens. There should be a complete unity among the citizens. Liberty represents freedom, a word that stands for being able to make one's own decision freely and having opportunity to be able to express one's own beliefs without fear. Equality means being equal in law and with the same rules, status, rights, respect, opportunities, and privileges applied to all. Fraternity is a sense of common brotherhood. Fraternity, what is fraternity? Fraternity is a sense of common brotherhood which makes people feel that they are one. Which makes people feel that they are one. If all these principles are followed, it will lead to unity, solidarity. It will bind people together. This in turn will lead to people helping each other and being empathetic to each other's problems. This ultimately leads to social stability and to an ideal nation. Now you have to write down the statement related with grammar. The instructions are given here that what exactly you have to do about this sentence. The first one is coming here. The social democracy means a way of life which recognizes liberty, equality and fraternity. आपल्याला अंडरलाईन करायचा पार्ट आहे अ वे ऑफ लाईफ पासून तर फ्रॅटर्निटीपर्यंत. ब्रॅकेटमध्ये सूचना घ्या. फ्रेम अ WH क्वेश्चन. The next statement is here. I am of the opinion that in believing that we are a nation, we are cherishing a great delusion. ब्रॅकेटमध्ये सूचना बघा काय आहे. पिक आउट verbs and state their tense. The verbs are here am, are. Simple present tense is here. Cherishing, present continuous tense. The next statement is here. How can people divided? How can people divided into several thousands of castes be a nation? Once again I will repeat it. How can people divided into several thousands of castes be a nation? Question mark. ब्रॅकेटमध्ये सूचना आहे. मेक इट असर्टिव्ह. people divided into several thousands of castes cannot be a nation. People divided into several thousands of castes cannot be a nation. And that's all, my dear, and here is the conclusion of this particular chapter, Pillars of Democracy by Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. And we have taken 4 activity sheets and explained it word to word, and the ready answers are provided to you. You are suggested to take the note of the same in your notebook. That's all. Have a good day.